Hey everyone, welcome to another hip hop tutorial, and I'm going to teach you 3 more hip hop dance steps. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to this channel. At the end of the video, we're going to combine the steps together and then we're going to drill this sequence 5 times in a row. Let me show you the moves with the music first and then we're going to do the breakdown. The first step we're going to do is a step touch, and we're basically moving and shifting our weight side to side with steps. So this is what it looks like. Step touch, step touch, step touch, step touch. All right. This one, I'm not necessarily sliding anything with my feet, but I'm just stepping over like a pile, right? So I'm stepping over. So with the breakdown, you want to step right, then step together, almost like you're touching your feet, but you're not literally touching. So step to the right, step together, the same foot that steps together. Now you're going to go onto the left, left together, then right together, left together. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I'm stepping over, stepping over. Now with a lot of these hip hop dance grooves, there's a lower component, which happens with a bounce. And then there's the upper component, which happens with a rock, the rock going up and down or side to side. But what we want to train our body to do is have some activity and some movement going on in the upper body. So with this, we're going up twice each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's add the legs. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. If that feels a little awkward, it's okay. It's good to train them separately and then have moments where you practice them simultaneously. But what you want to graduate from is go from this to this. The next step sequence we're going to do is a back step with a pivot, or meaning we're changing our body direction to face the side. So one variation is just stepping back. What we're going to do here is step back, but also step side. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So with the steps, we're going to go slow. When you step back, I do a little mini twist on the balls of my feet. So I don't keep my foot facing the front. I allow the little ball of the foot to pivot or switch. So I'm putting a little bit of weight on it. So when I step back, I allow myself to turn smoothly. Then do the same thing facing the front. Now my weight's on my right foot. I step back and then the same thing, step front. So if I can show you a little isolated move with the balls of my feet, that's happening where my heel is lifted up slightly off the floor as I step and then step together, step, step together. Twisting my body, making sure my hips face the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in other videos where I've shared, we want to bring our arms to the party and you get to play and explore over time. But what you want to graduate from is having no arms and then now involving arms, which allows you to be a more dynamic and inviting dancer when you're on the dance floor. So let's put that together from the step back, adding arms or minimal arms. It's your exploration. 6, 7, 8, you're stepping back, step front, step back, step front, step back, step front, step back, step front. One more time, right leg's going back. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, left foot, 3, 4, right foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next part is a really fun step. We're just walking, but we're walking in a shape of a circle. So we're basically going to go over our right. So we're going to go towards the right and just do a simple yet vibey type of walk. We're also going to train to have that rock that we talked about earlier in those steps. So we're going to walk in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then step together on 8. So with walks, we're basically doing this same walk, except instead of keeping it simple, we're going to add that rock groove as we walk. Rock up, 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 up. So every time we step to the floor, our torso comes up. Bend up, bend straight, bend straight, bend straight. Okay, so we're practicing that sequence. Let's actually do one practice facing the front with a mini short travel walk. Then we're going to practice going in a circle. So for practice purposes, we're going to practice the walk and the rock. 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's practice in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put these 3 steps together, doing them back to back. First time is a little bit slow. The second time is a little bit faster. Here we go. With counts. 5, 6. This tempo. 5, 6. Step touch first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back step with the right foot back, left foot back, right foot back, left foot back. Now circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster. This tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, y'all. Let's go 5 times in a row, non-stop, no break in between. And it's going to allow us to drill, practice our rock, practice our bounce, and practice our steps. Let's get it. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have more tutorials just like this, and we upload once a week. We also have a free program, and it's available for you to download in the description box below.